All right, so this is the video for the extra credit for this photo tachometer. And so basically what we have going here is we have our system such that I can assign a value or an RPM, a desired RPM to the DC motor, and then through the tachometer, I will change the voltage supplied to the motor, and eventually, hopefully, level out at that desired RPM. And so right now, our desired RPM right here is going to be 6,000. So let's go ahead and re-upload this to the board. Over here, we're going to take a peek at our serial plotter. So we're going to see this initial drop. So we're going to start off at around, I want to say that's about 7,000 RPM. Then you can see that over time it's going to slowly level out towards that 6,000. And obviously this isn't perfect, so that background grid line is 6,000, but it gets pretty close. So let's go ahead, let's go back in here, and just to demonstrate another value, let's change that to 4,000. So that's 4,000 note. Let's go ahead and re-upload that. Let's watch our graph. So 4,000 is going to be our midway grid line on the screen. All right, and then we can see that it's slowly leveling out at that 4,000. Once again, not exact and not exactly level, but that's due to inconsistencies in the actual motor itself. All right, so just really quickly, let's go ahead and also watch this one at the motor itself. So right now, once again, we're set to that 4,000 RPM, but I don't know if you can really see that or hear that, but it is slowing down. And then now it's about leveling out. So once again, we're going to see that same value there. And now for this last demonstration, I'm actually going to change this to 2,000. The reason why is because I'm going to put some extra strain on the motor by just simply holding my finger up to it. So we want to start that at a low value so that it doesn't actually harm the motor by giving it too much voltage, although that shouldn't happen in this case. So we should see that once again. Now we're going to see a big drop as that drops down to 2,000. So that's going to be leveling out pretty shortly here. All right, so we're just about leveling out at 2,000. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put my finger right up against the fan blade just like that, and we're going to see how it adjusts. So you can see those two initial drops in RPM. So now we're going to see if the system adjusts here. So I'm going to put my finger right up to the fan. Try and keep that steady. So the system is clearly trying to accommodate. What I really want to focus on here is when I take my finger off, we see that jump back up. And that's because it was supplying extra voltage. And as soon as I took my finger away, that extra voltage was still being applied. Now that my finger is off, it's going to return back to that simple 2,000. All right, and there's the demonstration of the extra credit. There's my face just to cap it off, and that should be it.